subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Huawei has trademarked the name Nova Watch in China. Undoubtedly, this suggests that the Chinese company plans to release at least one smartwatch as part of a new series soon. Huawei reserves Nova for its mid-range smartphones, so it may have a new mid-range smartwatch in the offing. Huawei has released some interesting smartwatches recently, including the New Year editions of the Watch GT2 Pro and the Watch Fit. The company has trademarked the name Nova Watch this month though, which may indicate that it plans to take its smartwatch business in another direction. Huawei has been known to offer affordable smartphones under its Nova brand for a few years, including the Nova 5T and, more recently, the Nova 8 and Nova 8 Pro. Hence, a Nova Watch could conceivably be a cheaper alternative to the Huawei's Watch GT series. Likewise, past behavior suggests that Huawei would release several Nova smartwatches within a few months of each other. Until now, Honor smartwatches have provided a budget alternative to Huawei's wearables. A Nova series could bridge the gap left by Honor though, in our opinion. Huawei is expected to launch the Nova Watch soon, according to media reports in China. It is unclear when this exactly will be, but we imagine that Huawei will time it with a new Nova smartphone launch. So friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.